Okay, I've got my altitude switches in the chamber. I've got a static line hooked to the chamber itself. I've got some wires coming out. They're hooked to my meter leads, which are hooked, of course, to my meter. And my box is set up for just a vacuum. Right now I do have altitude on it. I've got about 7,300 and dropping. I do have a little leak through the chamber. The switch, the altitude switch, is open. In this case, I've got my pressure vent line closed, my pressure control line closed. I've got my cross bleed open to prevent airspeed from driving up. I've got my IVSI valve open so that I can keep track of my vertical speed. Vacuum vent line is closed. Vacuum control is at this moment closed. And of course my static line going into the box pressure port plug is tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and crank in some vacuum from the tank. The box is running. And I'm going to drive this to about 5,000 feet a minute up. Really just doing this to protect my box. I can guarantee the switch doesn't give a rat's ass. So let's not exceed it. So we're at 8,000. We're supposed to close at 13. 12 to 13, I believe. I do not know the tolerance, and I don't have the paperwork in front of me. But you notice I'm almost at 9,000 feet here, and my airspeed doesn't budge because there is no pressure on that side of the airspeed indicator. As long as the two sides are equal, your airspeed will remain at 0. If I was to close the cross bleed, airspeed would start climbing. Let's just watch this for a second. 11,000. On 12,000. There it goes. Actually, could hear that in the box. So that I didn't look. It looked like about 12.1. I just wanted to show you an example of this. We'll let that continue to climb. I'm going to close my cross bleed. I don't even have anything. I don't have anything open on the ram air side or the pitot side, and as I climb in altitude, I'm climbing in airspeed. The only way to equalize that is to open your cross bleed. So we'll bring that back down. We can actually stop the climb here too. And we'll bring it down, but that's a good switch. Thanks.